Batangas VTS, Batangas VTS. This is MB Precision, MB Precision. Call sign 3FED3. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Go ahead. Over.
Batangas BTS, MB Precision. Call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Requesting permission to enter Batangas Port Terminal. Our ETA is 0800 hours. Local time on 30 October 2023. We are carrying iron ore with a total cargo on board of 12,304 metric tons. Our drop is 12.3 meters, and we have 3-4 person on board. We also have 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous cargo on board. Please advise. Over.
MB Precision, Batangas BTS. Roger your message. Switch to channel 12 for further communication. Over.
Roger. Switching to channel 12. MB Precision out. Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is MB Precision on channel 12. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. You are clear to enter Batangas Port Terminal. Proceed to anchorage area. Alpha in standby for pilot boarding instruction. Maintain a listening watch on channel 12 and report when on final approach. Confirm receipt. Over.
Batangas BTS, MB Precision. Roger. Your instruction. Proceeding to anchorage area. Alpha and standing by for pilot instructions. Maintaining watch on channel 12. Will report on final approach. MB Precision out.
Batangas BTS out.